And welcome, Wall Street Pete. Sicto in crypto. I hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful evening this St. Patty's Day, as I will be enjoying some drinks on my special day today. Uh, I am as of age, so many years young today, and I am happy. As I said last night to everybody, the dip was almost over. Well, I was a little short on that. It took a little longer, but it happened, right? I said a birthday gift for me to some people. Man, it would be at $1.10. What the hell was I talking about, right? Let's take a peek. We fall down here. We did fall down to seven. I remember saying 77 cents was a possibility. I couldn't believe it happened, so I thought we were going to hang tough right about here. We touched today at $1.07 on here. On Binance US, it said we touched about $1.10, $1.09. So I felt like my prediction came through. We touched up about here. As you see here, it's not exact, but do expect to flirt with this again. We do have to finish some type of a correction, so expect to see this 77 cents mark again. If we hold up here for a while, then that may not happen. This correction may be over. Okay, so pay clear attention to that. Uh, we'll go to one. And this is Harmony. This is one of my favorites. I am heavily invested in Harmony. Okay, this is the early stage in the game when I bought it at 5 cents, and I want to keep it that way. I will dollar cost average in from when I got in. Of course, I bought more, so now we need some higher growth. If you look, we got a bullish flag, but we still have a correction in process. Look down from 0.077 was basically where we're going to go. It's kind of odd that mana was 77 cents too. But this will be the low point. If you see we fell a little further, 0.74. So sue me, we're still in the 7 cents range. You'll continue to see that until we find our breakout. Our breakout point will be 9 cents, 0.092. If we start breaking out the 0.902, we will hit this price again and find out we may see resistance and knock down at the 0.10. So if we do get to the 10-cent mark too, then we're on the up and up. So the day we hit through that 9.2, I was telling you 9.5 cents. This is the first mark right here, 9.2. Then we'll break up, and once we get to the 10-cent range, forget it. It's off to the races. But it doesn't mean that'll happen that day. We could just hit there and fall down. You have to find the resistance level. But Harmony, I'm telling you, Harmony is something to pay attention to because it runs off Engine, and Engine is our baby. So this was what I was telling you, $3. I do expect to see Engine back at $3. We were at one point $3.08. As we know, I bought this at $1.12. This was my baby March 3rd. I told everyone March 3rd to buy. And if you follow what happened March 3rd, real quick, just to go over some of my newer followers, some of the people who've been watching my stuff asking questions, March 3rd, we were here. 91 cents. I apologize. I did buy some at 91. I went heavy at $1.12 because that's when I knew the world was changing with the NFTs and Engine was a part of it. For anyone not watching my videos, and this is one of their first ones, Engine is the first Japanese-made cryptocurrency video game. You now will basically invest your money into the world's first cryptocurrency engine. It's made off of Minecraft. It's made off the NFT arts that you sell. We did a video last night with the Donald Trump duty that I bought. I tried to buy, but we're at 58,000. So expect 60,000. I do expect to touch up here, which is exactly where I'm at, where my cursor. 60,000 will be the resistance level we have to play with here. This line, specifically this cursor, I expect this price. So 59,932. If we can break this, we're on the run. I doubt it because we're already, if you're looking at my hourly chart on TradingView, our hourly candles were already curving for the down. So this was a nice parabolic move on my way home today when I was driving. This is what we're looking for. What you're going to see now, this is another indicator. You're going to see 56,991. Look at the number to the right. This is where I'm getting it from. All the way to the right here for people not looking. This number, we're going to dip here. If we can hold this 56,900 level and start bouncing back up, you want to buy because then we are now in an uptrend. We're finally in an uptrend market here. We've been bullish. We've been bullish. This is nothing new. But my point being is sometimes you're on a downward trend. This will justify that we are in an upward trend, and then you will basically be looking at higher prices up to the 60,000 and beyond. This is just for the short term. We will get a correction again. But as if you notice, this is the downward trend I've been talking about with Bitcoin. This is a downward trend. In order for the downward trend to be broken, because look, we got our sideways action here, we're still heading down. So let me get a little more professional for everybody. So until we break that, we won't be going up, like in the long run here. I don't know how to call it the long run, the short term. You get what I'm saying. So basically, you put these lines here. Okay, this is for like a day trading type thought. Excuse me a minute. I gotta fix my charts. It can become a mess. So all these lines get really crazy. But this is what you wanted. See? This is what I'm talking about. That's my downward trend. See the downward trend? We broke through with that parabolic move. And now the next trend line going up, if you'd notice, if you start breaking up there, but this is what I said. Look, the candle. So now we're going to remove this, get a little more clear here. My candle's turning red, which is telling me that we're heading down a little. So it's an opposite trend move here. We could get a little breakdown, but we won't go past 56,900, as I said. So just wanted to go over a couple of the stuff. Engine, as I said, was 220, was where we weren't going to fall below. Well, we didn't fall below it. We fell 220 and a half. I mean, I really came down to the nitty gritty there. We may still see 220. But point being is we're heading up to $3. So if you wanted to buy, I would say wait till we get down to here. Small chance we do not see that price again. I don't know. It depends on this. I think we're breaking up in the uptrend. I see some, let's see, a pattern here, head and shoulders forming. It could be another bullish sign. So just look for the cup and handle. We could be forming a cup and handle here and not even know it. Cup and handle pattern is very, very, very telling. So I think we went over everything. We went over engine, we went over mana, we went over harmony. Yes, we definitely did. We went over Bitcoin. So that's about it. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Have a wonderful day. Hit that like and subscribe. I'm going to go get some drinks on, have a nice dinner, and have a wonderful night. Peace in and peace out.